Hey, thanks for joining me today. My name's Andy Jessup and we're going to be talking about the Visionaire 5. This unit alone will produce 5 liters of oxygen on continuous flow. It's perfect for at-home use. First thing we're going to point out is that you can hook up a cannula and you can go up to 50 feet in cannula length. So once you actually have the unit in the home, you can go ahead and plug it up and we'll show you how to hook up the cannula. So the first thing we're going to point out is a couple of different functions on the front. Over here in the top corner is going to be the hour meter. You have a reset button and you actually have the on-off switch. On the opposite side, just like any other concentrator, you're going to see the flow meter. And then of course in the middle is our plastic barb piece. Once this has been identified, go ahead and take your cannula or humidifier bottle and connect it. Since we already have our cannula right here, we're going to connect this first. Simply take your cannula, the female end, and connect to the barb, like so. So if you notice, there's no spot on the front side of the unit for humidifier bottle. Let me go ahead and show you where that option is located. So, once you have your unit, you'll notice on the back side there's an indented area. This right here is actually where your humidifier bottle goes. Simply take your humidifier bottle after attaching the strap and making sure to fill between the minimum and maximum line with distilled water. Insert behind the strap, like so. Once you've installed the humidifier bottle, we can go ahead and take the strap that's connected to it and connect it to the front barb. But since we're already on the back side, let's go ahead and hook up our cannula to the back. Simply take your cannula and hook to the male side, like so. The last step of this process is to take the humidifier adapter and connect to the front barb, like so. Now that we have everything connected, let's go ahead and turn on the unit. Simply press the power button to the on position, like so. Your unit's going to first come on and you're going to hear an alarm. It's perfectly normal. Another thing you're going to notice is if you have oxygen monitoring, there's going to be a yellow light that's going to illuminate. This is perfectly normal. This will stay on for the first 5 minutes. Once the concentration is above 85%, the yellow light will go away. Now that the unit's on and it's warmed up, notice the light's no longer illuminated. You can adjust the flow meter like so. Simply turn the dial counterclockwise until you've reached the desired setting. And there you have it. That's the basic functionality of our Visionaire 5 oxygen concentrator. The unit was designed to be maintenance free, so you don't have to worry about changing out any filters. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us. But until then, have a great day. Thanks for joining us.